Hi, I am Himani and I am a legal designer by profession. I recently graduated law school and just entered into the corporate space. Um, the past month has been, I think, a journey for me. It has been some of the way I think I've had some of the very eye-opening realizations in the past 1 month working with Ashi. So just to add some context, I think before meeting Ashi, I was really struggling with a lot of things. My emotions were all over the place. I was not able to figure out why I'm not productive at certain times, or uh, I think I prioritize my work over everything, and I was finding it very difficult to manage different things in my life. And I think I just knew that I needed some professional help, but it was always difficult for me to reach out to someone and to ask for help. But with Ashi, it was very different because when we had our first session, she made sure to explain even the little things to me twice or thrice with different analogies that really helped me out. And during the sessions, during the past 4 weeks and these sessions, I think I've realized that we should all, I think, prioritize our mental health and ourselves over any other thing. And the beauty about all of these sessions and working with Ashi has been that she has always been there no matter what. And I can tell her anything and everything. I know there has been like thousands of thoughts going on my mind, and I was like, Ashi, I've been thinking this, I've been feeling that, and she's always there to listen. And I think secondly is that how simply she explains every topic. I think it is the beauty that made me feel so comfortable and open up, because I think there are very difficult concepts, or when we talk about emotions, feelings, or any other thing, that these are very difficult concepts to understand, or to even realize what is wrong or what is the area that you need to work with. But Ashi used a lot of analogies, examples to make me understand what is the issue, or what is the thought process that I need to adapt or change. So I think that was the beauty of these sessions, and I'm really really grateful to Ashi for helping me out with my issues and helping me to just understand myself better. And I would definitely recommend anyone to take Ashi's session. Trust me, I think it is worth every time, every money, because she's just a gem of a person. And I think I have been the most comfortable to talk about my issues with her. So I just recommend everyone to just have a session and to just talk to her about her issues. So yes, that's it from my side.